Alright guys, I'm excited for this video. We've been waiting for the front and rear suspension for the Barracuda for some time now, about a month. It's been at the chassis shop. We finally have it. It's from Reilly Motorsports, RMS. So this video is just going to be an unboxing, looking at the quality. I'm going to give you my reactions and I'll tell you what I like about it. We have, like I said, we have the front and rear. It's the Street-lynx and a 4-link. So that said, let's just jump right into it. Unbox everything, see what we got. That way, if you're ordering the same kit from RMS, you can see what the quality is like and what the packaging is like and that sort of thing. So as always, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for this video, and let's just jump right into it. Alright, so sorry about that. You lost a little bit of quality towards the end of that last clip. So right here, as you can see, there's box 1, box 2, and box 3 of the Street-lynx. So let's go ahead and start those. I'll pull up on my phone what the Street-lynx is, show it to you guys, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled this up for you. So that is the Street-lynx. It is the 4-link rear end, so that's what they're calling their 4-link. So these 3 boxes should have some of those components, and I'm assuming that that one is going to have the diff case.
I'm dipping in my rent money like it ain't coming at the top of the end of my gas tank. Never wanted to fill it. The chrome wheels make the bitches go sit in. I just pocket when they can see. I'm eating out every evening, chopping trees like it's Christmas season. I can spend it before I get it. If you blink, you miss it. And niggas talking about.
Okay, so I have the 3 Street-lynx boxes open now. I'm gonna go ahead and open them one at a time. That way I don't lose any of the parts. I'll just kind of pull the parts out, show it to you, put them right back in the box, then move on to the next one. Okay, so here is box number 1. Basically has some bolts at the bottom of the box, some brackets. As you can see, these welds are beautiful, and they also coated in black for me, which was nice. Then we just have some more brackets there. So that'll just hold the entire 4-link setup. So let's go ahead and move on to box number 2. I'm going to go ahead and throw these back in box number 1, seal it back up, and then move on to the next one. Okay, so here's box number 2. This is an exciting one because we have Viking double adjustable coilovers. So this came out of that box. There's 2 more just like it. It's going to be one for either side of the 4-link. So I'll go ahead and open up these, just show you what I got, and we'll move on to box number 3. Okay, so this is my first time, first experience with Viking Performance with their coilovers. So the small box came with the coil, everything else came in the longer one. But let me tell you, the quality on this, like compared to what I've experienced, like Fortunato and BC. Got the abbreviation mixed up there. But this quality is just crazy. You can see let's see if it'll focus. I don't think we're gonna focus, but those 2 right there is for the adjustments that you got. So I'll go ahead and put this back up, put it back in box number two, move to box number 3, see what's in there. I'm gonna just go ahead and steal the sticker though, because the chassis guy won't be needing that. And we'll move to the next one, which is box number 3. Let's see what's in box number 3. Oh, it feels heavy. Oh my God. This thing looks beautiful. Wow. So this looks like it's going to be the, I don't know the technical term, but it's the cross member that goes in between the rear subframe and kind of ties it in together. This piece, I believe, actually gets welded to either side of the frame. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera or not, but this piece is not painted. Reason for that, obviously it needs to get welded, so you need to have a nice clean surface. But other than that, once it's welded, I'll make sure it gets painted black. These welds are just beautiful. I'll go ahead and put it back in the box and move probably to this one, see if the rear diff case is in there, and we'll keep opening up the rest. Okay, so the rest of the boxes are not marked and don't say what's in them, or not what's in them, but 1, 2, and 3. They're not numbered. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump to this one because maybe I should save that for last. I don't even know. Man, yeah, I'm gonna jump to that one because I believe the rear case is gonna be in that, and I really want to see that. And that also, I believe, completes the rear. Then the rest should be all front related. So let's just go ahead and open up this one, and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so I'm starting to think that the rear diff housing does not come with this setup, but that's okay. It's a fairly inexpensive part. So I already opened this, and it is the front cross member. So I'll go ahead and take this out and show it to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, these are motor mounts. They're for a small block Dodge. So I believe that this is the front part of it, this being the back. This is where the coils will mount. So that just kind of gives you an idea. So I'll go ahead and put this back in the big box, keep opening up the rest, then we'll keep on going. Man, I'm gonna need to take a break because I am out of shape, or maybe everything is just really heavy, because I'm gonna have to take a breather for 5 minutes, then jump into the 4 remaining boxes. Let me go ahead and show you the Kirky seat I got, which are beautiful. I cannot wait to get these installed. The quality compared to the Sparcos that I have in the MR2, man, now I understand why everyone runs Kirkys. I'm probably going to sell the Sparcos out of the MR2 and get a set of these. So with that said, let me cool down, get my breath back, then I'll start opening up one of these 4. Okay, decided to go ahead and open up this one next. I have no idea what's inside, so let's just find out. Okay, so this small box had a deceivingly large amount of stuff in it. Control arms, spindles, not sure what's in that box, but it had some Viking parts also. So as far as the control arms, man, these things are nice tubular pieces. Got your grease point there. The welds are beautiful throughout the entire kit. Spindles look super high quality. Let's go ahead and open up these 2 boxes, and I'll show you what's in them. Okay, so the Viking box had another spring in it. This small box had just some hardware and looks like some mounting brackets. So I'm going to go ahead and package this all back up. Probably get rid of the nuts so the chassis guy doesn't have to deal with those. Get it all back in the box, make sure I don't lose anything. And we'll move on to uno, dos, tres, one of them. Okay, you know, now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have emptied out all the foam nuts from all the boxes, but it's too late now. I'll let him deal with it. Maybe I'll bring some extra spare bags tomorrow, just so I can help him dispose of them when we're going through all these parts. All right, let me load all these up. We'll jump on to one of the next boxes. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up the tall, skinny box. Had the steering rack in it. Also had a sticker, which is folded up, didn't quite make it. That's okay, I'll just go ahead and add it to the collection. All right, so let me box this one back up. 2 more, we'll probably jump up. Let's just do that one. Okay, so I kind of massacred this box. It was just way overdone, but it's a sway bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the sway bar into the top of the big box. That way I don't have to worry about that one. Then we'll jump to the last one and we'll see what we got. Man, of course the battery dies as I'm opening the last box. So let me show you what we got inside this. This is gonna be the lower part of the front coilover. Just a bunch of brackets, control arm, which I have the other side over here. Thing's beautiful, as the rest of the kit is. Look at the welds, top-notch stuff. Over here it looks like it's the wrenches to adjust the coilover height. Invoice right there. So as I said earlier, this is RMS, Advanced Suspension Systems, Reilly Motorsports. They're out of, let me check again, Whitehaven, Pennsylvania. I'll go ahead and link them down below so you can check out their website if any of you guys are building an A-body or any Mopar for that matter. I think they have pretty much anything Mopar. But this kit looks really awesome, really high quality. I'll let you know what the chassis guy says, and as he's installing and welding everything in, I'll let you know if there's any changes that he needed to make. But as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, link it down below. I'll make sure to answer them as soon as I can. I'm going to drop all this stuff off tomorrow, so I'll probably make a separate video for that. And I haven't seen the Barracuda in like a month, so it'll be nice just to see the car again. But as always, I'll see you next time. Also, if you don't follow me on social media, go ahead and do so. I let you guys know that Dude in Blue reviewed the MR2, and that racing channel also did a feature. So in the next 4 to 5 days, both those videos will be dropping, and I'm hoping that this channel will get a lot of exposure from that. But as always, guys, I'll see you next time.
Damn, Mo, I ain't bad, I'm crazy, motherfucker.
Yeah. Puffy said it's all about the Benjamins.